This is a personalized Travelock padlock with metal hasp and personalized name. This is a personalized Travelock seal with serial number tab. Step 1. Detach serial number tab from Travelock seal. For security reasons, keep serial number tab until final destination. Step 2. Insert Travelock metal hasp through the zipper hole of the check-in luggage. Step 3. Insert Travelock seal into Travelock padlock to secure the locking of the check-in luggage. Step 4. Upon arrival at the final destination and collection of check-in luggage from the carousel belt, please ensure that the Travelock padlock and Travelock seal are in good condition as checked in earlier. Confirm that the serial number on the tab and Travelock seal are matching before collecting the luggage. Should your Travelock padlock or Travelock seal is tampered with, please report and declare to the airport authority and customs that your luggage has been tampered. Request for a 100% check to be conducted on your luggage to ensure that your luggage has not been filled with dangerous and prohibited items or substances. With the declaration to the authority, you are safeguarding yourself from prosecution and unnecessary problems. Step 5. To open the Travelock padlock, lift the Travelock seal. To detach it from the Travelock padlock and push out the remaining piece with the seal tip. Step 6. The Travelock padlock is reusable, whereas the Travelock seal is for one-time use only for security reasons. Step 7. Repeat Step 1 to Step 6 for future travels. For more information, visit us at www.titandsb.com.